Welcome to Walthamstow Marshes. Well, we've always known Hackney Marshes, but that's probably over that way. And this is us. We're walking. And we're not going anywhere apart from probably this walkway. Why, you ask? Well, we've come to find them in larger quantities. So we are going to keep walking and then we're going to pick loads. Why, you ask? Yeah, good question. Why? Well, Tora's mum makes jam, jelly as she seems to call it, and the nutcase is here to be as annoying as possible. Ball. There he is. Pick. And drop. These aren't very good. These are a bit small. And that's blackberry picking. Now, Tora has been visited by a little lady known as Blackie. I'll let her describe her to you. So what did you see?
A fairy.
What did she look like? He looked like? It looked like? Come on.
I don't know how you describe it. Like a woman in a dress.
How big?
With long hair and about the size, well, smaller than a berry.
Okay. What colour hair?
Well, all red. The whole thing was red.
The body of the thing. Everything.
It was like that colour red.
Colour red. And she was all red, and she was, where was she?
She landed on my finger and then she went over. Well, I'm saying it's a she. It could have been a he wearing a dress.
And there's no thing saying that fairies aren't transgender.
Omni? Multi? Non-gender?
Blackie, otherwise known as the Blackberry Faerie, is the one that helps grow these things and lets us take our pick. Ooh, squishy. Oh look, she hides them very nicely in the undergrowth and the overgrowth. Not there. Look how many there are that we just can't get to. Could make tons and tons of jam, but she won't let us get there. She protects them with thorns, bushes, sometimes holes in the ground that we can't see. Oh well. People, not just us. The hive activity, there's bikes all the way down for other people. There you go. Blackberry picking in East London. Ancient tradition, I guess. And it still goes on. Now we'll hand these over to Tora's mum, who will stew, boil, something them, and we'll end up with some jam. Yum. We finished blackberry picking and now we are drinking beer, eating burgers. Was it a successful blackberry picking expedition? Mm-hmm. Now what's the process from here on?
Make the jam and the silver.
Okay. How many berries do we get?
Know. Maybe £8. Could be 10.
Okay.
Don't be English, Mum.
Be eating burgers with a knife and fork. No.
Couple.
And that one is the dog.